Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's begin our trading session, and today my goal is to make some good money. We are gonna open position for all the deposit amount, and let's put down all the money we got to trade amount. And what concerns our today's strategy, we are gonna use the Keltner channel and of course the stochastic oscillator. Set the period to 5 on the stochastic. The overbought zone is 80 and the oversold zone is 20. We keep them as they are, don't change anything. The strategy show it's the best on a 1 minute time frame. That's why we open a 1 minute position. So and let's do this guys, and it's time to get started, and let's find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open a short position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry, and let's point out the workspace. We see a potential reversal on the stochastic, and we can see that the blue moving average just crossed the overbought zone. We should also take a look at the chart. We see a good pump here, the resistance zone played out here. And after this zone, the price should go down into correction. And this also comes from the fact that the local trend is downward. So that's why we open the short position, and there is a new candle turn up, and it should also have a downward dynamics. So far good guys. There are 5 seconds left before the closing, and this position will be in profit guys, and we got $249 on the balance. And let's change the trade amount and carry on the trading session. Let's find another currency pair, and so guys, let's analyze. I don't see anything good so far guys. Probably we should pay attention to the Keltner channel, because the stochastic doesn't show us anything. I think we can open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. We see that the stochastic is at the bottom now, right in the oversold zone, and we're about to see the positive dynamics. Also take a look at the support zone. This is a very strong level after which the price should go to the upside. It's important to notice that the price has broken through the channel, and it's kind of obvious to expect a small pullback after this. Actually, the same thing happened here. There was the breakdown and then the small pullback right after. And here guys, the breakdown did happen and the pullback followed up, and here it's absolutely the same thing. That's why we open the long, and as you can see, the positive dynamics is gaining momentum. There are 5 seconds left before the closing, and this position has been closed in profit guys. We got $460 on the balance. Good job guys, and let's update the trade amount and find next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's carry on analyzing. I want to consider this one, and we should open a short position here. This currency pair has the highest payout rate so far guys, and let me explain the principle of trade entry. We see a potential reversal on the stochastic. It's gonna move downwards. Price bounced of this particular support zone, and the pullback that happened, the local high has been updated, after which the price is gonna go downwards. That's why we opened the long position here. Oh guys, short. And also we see the rejection from this middle line of this channel, which enhance our signal. We can also point out the downtrend on the chart, which enhance the signal even more. We did it, guys, and there are more than $800 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. As you can see, guys, the strategy works perfectly on a 1 minute time frame. It's also very effective when we play out the trend or flat situation. There is no stopping here. Let's get on the trading session, and we are gonna pick the best currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. And I think we got it here. This position entry looks very promising. We have this downtrend on the chart. Let me point it out, guys. From this zone, the price started going down. If we look at the stochastic, we see that the moving average hit the overbought zone, that stayed in sideways, in a flat, and the further movement should be to the downside. We see this pullback here. The price was rejected from the support zone. The pullback should be over by now, and the price is gonna continue moving down in the direction of the trend, guys. That's why we opened the short, guys. Like I said, guys, the price started going down, and we have a great position entry level, by the way. And this one will end up in profit like 100%, because the stochastic has started moving towards the oversold zone. And yes, guys, position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $1,500 on the balance. Let's open a $1,000 position, and there is no stopping here. Let's change the currency pair. We are also looking for the highest payout rate, and I think it makes sense to open a short position. I'm going to explain the principle of trade entry. This currency pair has the highest payout rate, which is good for us, guys. We don't pay attention to the stochastic. Support zone played out here, a small pullback followed up, and the price entered the channel. And actually, this correction has to be over by now, and the price should continue going down in the direction of the trend. The price rebounded from the middle line of the channel, which enhanced our signal. So, and the breakdown seems to be happening. We see a good downward dynamics. We got a nice position entry level, and the stochastic has also reversed and is heading to the oversold zone. And basically, we see these low volatility candles, and it's now doing any harm. Our position should be in profit. And there we go, guys. Another one is profit, and I am happy to see 2,000 on my balance. So like you see, the strategy is crystal clear and it works. So if you're a beginner, it's pretty simple to handle it. So try it out yourself and make money with me, guys. Let's change the currency pair and find the better most profitable trade entry. It makes sense to open two long position here. So have a look, guys. We have an extremely strong support zone at this level. Let me point it out. After which the price starts moving upwards, we release that the stochastic is at the bottom right in the oversold zone, and it's obvious that it's gonna reverse very soon. We play ahead of the market and look at this massive downward dynamics from this level. That's why we are gonna see at least a small pullback. That's why we open the long position. Support zone played out perfectly, guys, like I said, and the price is heading upwards. We see the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic right at the level 20. and it indicates that we have a nice position at level, perfectly calculated the timing, and we are gonna end up in profit. That's why we got $4,000 on the balance, but it's not an out. Guys, let's open a few more. I wanna show you more position, guys. And I show you guys that the strategy really works. So please leave the comments down below. Your feedback motivates me a lot. And let's carry on the trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. Let's open our long position here. We are gonna play out the pullback. I will point out the workspace. And I wanna show you the support zone, after which the price should change its direction. And in both cases, here in 0, the price started going up, and I'm sure the price is gonna do the same right here. Moreover, a massive downward movement has happened here, and the stochastic is gonna break so, and the ortho zone. That's why we open a long position here. Like I said, guys, the pullback is happening. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing, and the price should go even higher. The candle has low volatility, and this position has been closed in profit, guys. We got almost $7,000 on the balance, and I think we will open the final position, and let's analyze the market in more detail in order to find the better position today. So let's continue analyzing, and it seems reasonable to open a short position here. We see a strong pullback here, and we opened with a trend. We see the local downtrend here. The price broke through the channel, then a correction followed up. This one looks pretty healthy for this kind of movement, and we can see the consistency of the price movement. So after this correction, the price is gonna continue moving down. Meanwhile, the stochastic is in the ortho zone, and we should expect the price to go down. We played ahead of the market. Well, let's take a look. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and this one should be closed in profit. And we already see the reversal on the stochastic, and there are 5 seconds left, guys. And our position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $12,000 on the balance, and I think it's high time to fix the profit and call it a night, guys. Let's move to withdrawal. Withdrawal. Bitcoin wallet we let $11,000, and there we go, guys. Our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done, guys. So I hope I provide to you the strategy works out perfectly, and when having $140 on the balance, it's absolutely real to make $11,000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.